Today, I'm going to show you guys something very special. The Ninja FlexFlame outdoor cooking system. The first 5-in-1 outdoor cooking system that gives you 5 unique ways to cook, all with 0 compromises. The secret sauce to this cooking system is the Cyclonic Heat IQ. The combination of propane flames, cyclonic air, and wood fire technology that gives you faster cooking, more flavor, and more control. All under the same hood, you can grill, smoke, roast, griddle, and pizza. The Ninja FlexFlame cooking system is truly the next generation of outdoor cooking. With this system, you get a full griddle, a half griddle, you get a pizza stone. So I'm super excited finally to show you guys this brand new Ninja FlexFlame outdoor cooking system. Now, if you know me, I own a ton of grills, offsets, griddles, pizza ovens, all that stuff. But this right here has everything all in one. So today we're gonna put it to the test. You know me, I love wings, so we're gonna cook some chicken wings on here. We're also gonna do some pork ribs. We're gonna see how much smoke flavor it gets, how well it does in grilling, smoking, and let's check it out. So after getting the grill fully assembled, first thing you wanna do is plug it in. Next, you wanna open up the grill. And down here is where your propane tank is, and then you wanna get that open. So today we're looking for that good wood fire flavor, and now we're just gonna fill it up with some of the pellets. All right, so our first cook, we're gonna do some wings. So for the wings, we're gonna do the roast bake setting. We're gonna try to get these wings nice and crispy. So one of the first things you're gonna wanna do is set it to that. So now we're gonna ignite the pilot. You'll hear it. I see the flames. And then now we're gonna set it to the roast bake setting. Once you get that to the desired setting, you'll see the LCD come on, letting you know the selected burners. So for this setting, it's the back and front burners that are on, and that's the current temperature right now. And then it gives you a beep like that it's ready to close the lid. Now that the lid's closed, you hear the fan kick in. Burners are on, fan's on, and then now it's gonna get it up to temperature, and we're looking at a 400 degrees. So we're looking at, right here, it's set at 400 degrees. You can lower the temperature if you want, or go higher. We'll go at about 385 for this cook. Now that that's set and it's coming up the temp pretty fast, we're gonna go ahead and prep these wings. So right now we have it at 385. I'm gonna get the wings on. We're gonna cook them for about half hour. After that half hour, we're gonna bump it up to 450 and then cook it the rest of the way to get them nice and crispy. When it comes to our settings, low and slow settings give you temperatures between 200 and 300 degrees. The roast and bake setting gives you temperatures between 300 and 450 degrees. The 2-zone setting gives you temperatures between 350 to 500 degrees. You're able to cook direct on the front 2 burners, while the back burner gives you indirect cooking using their convection technology. And the grill pizza setting gives you temperatures between 450 to 600 degrees. That gives you high heat searing and char grilling for steaks, burgers, and more. So the wings are done, super simple. I love the fact that it's a gas grill. Just turn it on, it got to temp really quick. Adding the pellets in there was a game changer because the colors of these wings right now, you cannot get this on a regular gas grill. I can feel it, it's super crispy, almost as if we cooked it on an air fryer. They smell good. Now let's taste it. Definitely got that smoke flavor, crispiness. They're done perfectly how I like them. My opinion, it nailed it on these wings. We're gonna go ahead and get this Ninja FlexFlame fired up. So now we're going to low and slow cook some pork ribs. Now that our grill is cooled down, we're gonna get it fired up for a low and slow setting. We're gonna cook some pork ribs, give it some nice smoke flavor and see how it goes. So the ribs are done, we sauced them up, we sat them back in there so they could tack up. Let's take them out, cut them up, let's see how it came out. It looks juicy, it's cooked well, fat's rendered perfectly, little smoke ring. Smells amazing. I can smell the smoke. Now let's try it. Real good flavor. Super rendered down. I like my ribs like this where it has a little bite to it. It's not really fall off the bone. This is why I didn't wrap it. But overall, like cooking ribs low and slow on a gas grill with smoke flavor, I don't think it gets any better than that. I am legit blown away by this grill. It's a gas grill, but not only that, like you can add pellets, smoke it. The wings came out crispy as if it was in an air fryer, still had smoke on it. Again, there's no other grill like this. Legit, this is coming from a person that owns dozens of grills, offsets, smokers, pellet smokers, charcoal grills, you name it. I got it. This right here, I feel like it's gonna be one of my go-to grills to cook on, especially when it's just quick meals for my family. I have a feeling you're gonna see this grill in a lot of my content. I'm intrigued on how it's gonna do if I throw a brisket in there, so who knows, you might see that in the future. So this Ninja FlexFlame cooking system grill blew my mind. If you're in the market to get a grill, something simple, something affordable, that has everything from cooking a pizza, baking, roasting, griddle, smoking, you name it, this thing can do it. I highly recommend it. Check out the description below. I'll have a link in there. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the Ninja FlexFlame cooking system. My name is Tony Ramirez of TFTI Barbecue. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, get out of my backyard.